far must we go to achieve the precision of the stars? At Omega, we begin where others finish. Because after our timepieces have been made, the quality is then independently tested. Nature itself and the forces of magnetism are the power behind Omega's Master Chronometer certification. Performed over 10 days, each watch faces 8 of the industry's toughest trials, and if it doesn't reach the highest level of precision, it will never reach your wrist.
Welcome to the Seamaster Planet Ocean video manual. Positioned on the side of the watch is the crown, which is used for setting the time and adjusting the time zone and the date. In its normal wearing position, the crown ensures the watch is fully water resistant. It has to be unscrewed before the time can be set. Although the watch is self-winding, when the crown is in this position, it can be wound forward for extra power. To set the time, pull the crown out 2 clicks to its furthest position. The seconds hand will stop. Turn the crown forward or backward to move the hour and minute hands to the desired time. You can adjust the time zone easily to accommodate time changes when you travel. Pull the crown to position 2 and turn it forward or backward to move the hour hand. This will not stop the minute and seconds hands. To adjust the date forward, advance the hour hand past midnight. To adjust the date backward, move the hour hand back past 7 p.m. to ensure it changes. To reseal the crown, make sure it's in position 1. Then push it firmly while screwing it clockwise. The bezel with its dot and scale is used for indicating elapsed time, for example, during a dive.